Good afternoon class. Today we discuss a chapter number 4, force and friction. The next topic is effect of force. From effects of force we mean what force can do or what changes a force can bring about. The first effect of force is a force can cause a motion in a stationary object. When a force is applied on a stationary object, it can make it move. When a force applied on a stationary object, it can make it move. For example, if you push a book placed on a table, it start moving. If you push a rubber or pen which is placed on a table, it start moving. For example, another example is when you pull a chair, it start moving. However, it is not necessary that a force always makes a stationary body move. It is not necessary a force always makes a stationary body move. For example, if you try to push the wall, if you try to push the wall of your classroom, of your room, bedroom, it will not move. For that matter, even if all the boys in your class push the wall, it will not move. The reason is what? The reason is that the force applied by all of you is not sufficient to move the wall. Is not sufficient to move the wall. However, your action of push, that is the force, has at least tried to move the wall. Now, the second effects of force is a force can stop the moving objects or slow them down. Just imagine, your friend is riding a bicycle. Just imagine, your friend is riding a bicycle. If you pull his bicycle from behind, if you pull his bicycle from behind, it is going to slow down and may stop. It is going to slow down and may stop. It means if you apply force in the opposite direction to the direction of moving body, the body slow down. The body slow down. Similarly, if you apply brakes to a moving bicycle, it first slow down and then stop. We ourselves have to apply force to stop our bodies while running. A cricket fielder stop a ball by applying a force in the direction opposite to that of the ball. From our example, it is clear that a force may stop a moving body or may reduce the speed of a moving body. Third effect is a force can make a moving object move faster. Just imagine a cart puller pulling a cart on a sloping road, it slowly. If you push the cart from behind, then the cart will start moving fast. Similarly, when a moving bicycle is accelerated by pressing the accelerator, a moving vehicle is accelerated by pressing a accelerator, it start moving fast. Another example is when a football player hit the moving football, the ball start moving faster. When the horse pulling a tanga applies greater force, the tanga moves fast. The fourth effect is a force can change direction of moving object. When a cricket player hit the ball with bat, his force changes the speed as well as the direction of ball. Similarly, a football player changes the direction of moving ball by angling his foot. You can change the direction of your moving bicycle by applying force on its handle on the right or left hand side, both of the side, either the right hand side or the left hand side. The fifth effect of force is a force can change the shape of object. Just imagine a spring fixed in a wall with a nail. When we pull the spring, it gets stretched, hence its shape changes. Similarly, when we crumple a plain paper, its shape changes. By applying force, you can shape plus design in any form. You can change the shape of a spring in any form. And the last one is, last effect of force is a force cannot cause any effect on the mass of an object. Mass is a basic property of matter. When a force is applied on an object, it does not cause any effect on the mass of the object. Mass of an object is constant quantity, is a constant quantity. The mass is a constant quantity of an object, so we can't change. Thank you.